For this example, we're trying to find 7% of a number is 56.7. For this example, we're going to have to write an equation and then solve it to determine the number. The first thing we have to do is we have to remember that 7% can be written as 7 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.07 when we write it as a decimal. That's what we're going to put into our equation. So 7% or 0.07 of a number, which is x, is 56.7 or equals 56.7. Now, the opposite of multiplying by 0.07 is dividing by it. So we're going to perform that inverse operation on both sides. So we divide both sides by 0.07. That cancels out and we get x equal to 810. And you can use your calculator to help you with that part. We also want to check the solution, so we're going to verify our answer. And we do that by putting it back into the original equation. 0.07x equals 56.7. So we're going to say 0.07 times 810 equals 56.7. Again, use your calculator to help you out. And 0.07 times 810 works out to be 56.7. Again, we have the left-hand side of the equation equal to the right-hand side of the equation, so we know our answer is correct.